Hey guys, so let's compare the specs of the Fossibot F102 with the Blackview BV9300 and the Oukitel Wp26. These three devices are equipped with impressive specifications and features. They are also sold for less than $300 and they are also among the best rugged devices of 2023. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of these three rugged phones. So there you have it guys, the F102 versus the WP26 and the BV9300. They are packed with impressive specifications as you can see, but the BV9300 and the Fossibot F102 are much more powerful devices. They are much more powerful than the Oukitel Wp26 because they are powered by a much more better processor. Overall, these devices are great devices. They are equipped with impressive specifications. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about these rugged devices, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.